going to make changing the radiator for a Pacifica 3.8 is it? 3.6 I think. I'm not sure. We're going to make the radiator of this Chrysler Pacifica as easy as possible. We're going to start with these screws here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to use Phillips to unscrew those to us. So if you could get an extension, 10mm, 5/16, plier, a Phillip, and a flathead, you should be all good, ready to go. Take these out. We're gonna take this out. This is we try to take this shroud out, the upper shroud. So we probably gonna need to take all the clips that hold the upper shroud down, like this right here. This one right here, of course. Put it somewhere where it's accessible. On the side of the car, the outside. So 4 of these. Pull them out. Depending what kind you got. I'm not sure if these are the generic ones. I'm not sure, but they have to come out. The whole thing here has to come out. So as of right now, you can see the radiator as of right now. So we're gonna take out this screw right here with a 10mm, and then we're going to go to the other side and take out that one. Take the radiator support brackets out. Oh yeah, I want to let you know when you're doing these stuff, try to do it when the engine is cold or warm. You don't want to get burned. Take these supporting brackets off right here. Take this clip off right here. Like that. So you can access the radiator. Take the grill out. You could either put these back in. That's how Chrysler made these cars. Kind of easy to work with, I would say. So boom. Next, you want to disconnect the condenser to the radiator so you can have more movement. So it'll be 2 screws right here. Yes, next thing you want to do, you want to unplug all the fan cables. Another thing I wanted to mention, to take these clips out, you have to push it back, this red stuff back. I guess it's like a, I don't know, a guard or something, protected guard, just in case you're driving on the vibration, that it doesn't come off. So you press these red things, push them back like that to take them out if you're having trouble. Once you push them back, you will be able to take them out real easy. Let me take it out. Have to push the red thing back. If not, you'll have problems all day long. Okay, to take it off. I disconnected this part right here. And when you're taking this out, you take it out with a plier. You also want to take your lock out, so it could be a lot easier for you to pick up the radiator. You got to take this. It's also a 10mm. These cars use a lot of 10mm, so keep that 10mm handy, and we'll continue taking out the radiator. So I took out the lock, the front lock. I'm taking this out, this side out, and once I take this side out and take the holes out, should be able to take the radiator right out. Okay. Yeah, I also forgot to mention, keep a little pan that's like something that's gonna collect your your coolant, because you know coolant could be very expensive. So you know, if you could save a little bit, why not? Both connectors, both hoses, you separate it from the condenser. You can now take the radiator, take the radiator out. See how I'm taking it out? But I can't hold the phone and take it out, so. See, it's enough space to get it out. Just be careful, okay? That you don't force it out. Just gently take it out. Make sure this is out the way. So once you've taken it out, now compare it with the other one. Now, listen, not all brands are the same, but as long as they are the same fit, that's all that matters. So find out what the new one is missing and take it out from the old one, put it to the new one. Like perfect example, you see this right here? That's the bushings. You need to take these bushings out and put them back on right here, because when the car vibrates, these can crack if it shakes. And that's what causes cracks too, when the radiator shakes. So make sure the things that this doesn't have, make sure you take it from this and put it on that. First thing you notice, this fan has to go on this. And for me to put this fan on there, is this screws. And these are 8 millimeters. So 8 millimeters or 5/16, I would say. I think it's 2 screws. So 2 screws up top, 8 millimeters, okay? Take this on, put that on, and you will see from a distance that it just slides out. I'm gonna put it right in the new one, kind of like the same way. Slide it right in, slide it there, right in there like that. Make sure, see these parts right here, gotta fall in place real neat. See that? This side as well. Play real nice. Get one. Second one could be a lot easier. I'm gonna take that rubber, the bottom rubber, and put them on, and put back the new radiator. Make sure you take these rubbers up top too to hold your radiator. These rubber right here, take them out. Just you gotta force it a little bit, but it'll come off. Put it back on the other one, of course. Just like that. Let it go. Okay, put the new radiator in. Make sure you have the clearance. It's just as if you took it out the other one. And the things down here is supposed to make sure it's sitting mounted to the bottom. When I move the condenser, you would see it's supposed to be connected to the bottom. So make sure that part is connected to the bottom, so when you put the radiator, it sit right. Put the radiator and you do like everything back in reverse. Okay, I found out that that rubber that comes in the front, if you take it out, it's a lot easier to get to that right there. So once you take that rubber that's in front of it, just put it back. That's it. Tighten it up with the 10, as you see me doing. So you tighten it up right, because you don't want it to be leaking. Tighten these right here. tighten this back. Make sure you put everything back that you took out. Make sure you put everything back. They wouldn't put it there for no reason, like my mom, like my daddy would say. They didn't put it there just to put it there. They had a reason why they put it there. So make sure you put it back, okay? So when you do everything in reverse, just take your time and listen to it, because this is the process that's basically telling you you're complete. So when you're here, don't rush it. Take your time, because you gotta make sure everything is put back right, you know. You don't wanna put nothing back, and you don't wanna take something and then cause another problem. Don't forget to put back the condenser in the right places. Make sure it is back on the hooks, like right here. See, it have to be on the hooks. So when you put it on the hook, that hole right there can line up perfect. Make sure you got it in there right where it needs to be, so it won't leak. So once you got that in, you put back your connectors. Make sure your connectors are not touching nothing. Like this one almost got burnt. So make sure they have to be plugged in like they're supposed to be, or hold in, because if they burn, they can mess up your fan. So there you have it, the radiator. Oh yeah, another thing, when you do it, put the red stuff back up, so the vibration, push it all the way in and put it up. Make sure it's connected right. Okay, and then we put the condenser, we put everything back. We make sure you put everything back. Now we go to pour water, and we should be, that's how you change the radiator for a 2005 Chrysler Pacifica. If you have any questions, I think the hardest part about changing this radiator was taking it off in the places you can't reach, like right here. But if you take out the rubbers on both sides, you'll find that it's easier to do. Thank you for watching. Like or subscribe. I'm gonna continue to give you good videos. Thank you for everything. Have a great one.